it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas Season 2, Episode 42, and we have a fun one. Now, this SVG is available on our Patreon page to our $10 or more a month Patreon supporters, and my daughter did design this. Look how adorable this came out, and this is a burlap canvas from Hobby Lobby. Now, if you'll give me a minute to change the camera angle, I will go over everything we just did. So as you can see here, I have my canvas laid out, and this is a burlap canvas from Hobby Lobby. It's originally $13.99, and I purchased it whenever it was 40% off. So I always like to do that. And I've already stuck some of the pieces down 4 times, so that way it saves a little bit of time. Sorry, I'm on cold and flu medicine. Whenever we have major weather shifts like this, it just messes me all up. And then I have my Cricut Easy Press Mini. And I'm really loving how this is going whenever I'm using this for this canvas project. And then to give myself some height, because the back side of this, as you can see, it is a raised canvas. I use a paper notebook so that way it doesn't melt. I need to re-stick that edge of that leaf down. But it looks something like that. And I forgot to weed an area. And since I haven't fully stuck this down yet, like I always do, I can go ahead and remove that piece that I forgot to take out. Now, if you've done this and it is stuck down too well, which on a burlap canvas, it's a little bit harder to get it to stick down perfectly. There we go. But the thing with burlap is you're not running it through the washing machine. So as long as it's not going anywhere, you really don't have to be super concerned with it. It's not like whenever you're doing a shirt where you're going to be running it through the washing machine. If things start to lift or look funny, let's fix that little edge. It's not going to make that much of a difference. Okay. So now we're going to move up to the top, but I am very proud of this design. Nadia created this SVG, and if you are a $10 or more a month Patreon supporter, you do get access to this. So now what we're going to do is lay out the top piece, which, as I said, the canvas is 16 by 20 inches. The design, I stretched it a little bit, so it's 14.5 inches wide by 17 tall. So we're going to work in sections. Making sure to get everything down. Which the hardest areas really to work with are the edges, but you can kind of tell when it's stuck because the transfer tape does start to lift on you. So we just kind of work our way out from the center out towards the rest of the areas. So you see how easy that is laying down, and you can use your regular Cricut Easy Press. I'm just shifting my vinyl over. And one of the things the reason why I wanted to do that was to make sure to fix that T. But I'm actually enjoying using the mini press for this. And this is a great way to create custom artwork for your house. Like if you have certain colors or things that you like, you can take and make your decorations however you want, depending on your personal style. You don't have to just go to Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's or anywhere else. You can make this match your own personal style. Like if you're obsessed with Disney like I am, you could easily use a Christmas Disney quote. Now we've got to get the rest of that candy cane stuck down. And the colors I'm using are black Thermaflex, which I used 2 pieces since I did put this through the Cricut. And then I'm using white Thermaflex and red Glitterflex Ultra and green Glitterflex Ultra. I mean, we are keeping this in traditional Christmas colors. These smaller pieces go on so much easier. There we go. And last but not least, but as you can see, it really doesn't take a whole lot of time. And all the colors are available on my website, just in case you're interested. Go back over that edge just a little bit. And look how cute that looks. Now, if you'll give me a minute, I'll go over everything we just did. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And remember that we post new videos every single day at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. But I guess that's it. Don't forget to check us out on all of our social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But I guess we'll see y'all tomorrow.